Among the countless strange phenomena in nature, there is one that science has failed to fully explain for more than 2 centuries. A rare occurrence, yet every appearance leaves witnesses deeply shaken. It looks like a living fireball, glowing, floating silently in the air, moving slowly but able to change direction abruptly as if scanning its surroundings. People gave it a name: ball lightning. It is not fire, not a lightning bolt, and not similar to any familiar state of matter. Witnesses describe it as a sphere measuring 20 to 40 centimeters in diameter, sometimes as big as a basketball, radiating enough light to illuminate an entire room. Its colors shift constantly, blinding white, burning orange, or cold blue. Along with it comes a strange sound, hissing, buzzing, a noise like electricity racing through heavy cables. What frightens people the most is the way it moves. It can hover in place, drift close to the ground, then suddenly spring upward to the ceiling, behaving like a conscious entity. One of the most famous records dates back to 1638 at St. Pancras Church. A glowing sphere pierced through a window, circled around the church, set wooden beams on fire, and exploded, killing 4 people. In the 20th century, a Soviet pilot reported that a ball lightning suddenly appeared inside the cockpit at an altitude of 10,000 meters. It hovered for a few seconds, then exited straight through the metal fuselage without leaving a single burn mark. Unlike normal lightning, which lasts less than 1,000th of a second, ball lightning can persist for 5, 10, even 60 seconds, an impossibly long duration for such concentrated energy. Its disappearance is just as mysterious. Some balls simply fade away like a lamp going out. Others explode violently like a grenade, leaving burn marks on walls and the ground. Many witnesses claim they saw the glowing sphere pass through walls, slip through closed windows, or move through gaps smaller than its own size, details that have fueled scientific debates for decades. Even though sightings are reported all over the world, video evidence remains extremely rare. No one has ever captured the moment ball lightning forms, only brief, fleeting appearances during storms. The first scientific hypothesis suggests that ball lightning is superheated plasma, stabilized by magnetic fields. Like a miniature sun drifting quietly through the air. But plasma of such temperature should be unstable, unable to last more than a fraction of a second in normal atmospheric conditions. This does not explain how ball lightning can live for several seconds or more. Another hypothesis points to vaporized silicon. When a lightning strike hits the ground, the massive energy could vaporize minerals like silicon and magnesium, forming a glowing, floating sphere. Experiments in Australia and China have successfully recreated small, glowing orbs using silicon vapor. However, their lifespans are far shorter than those described by real witnesses. A different group of physicists proposed the microwave bubble model, the idea that lightning generates microwave energy trapped inside a plasma shell, forming a self-sustaining bubble of light. But this model fails to explain how ball lightning can enter houses or pass through glass without damaging anything. Some neuroscientists even suggest a bold idea. Ball lightning might be an electromagnetic hallucination created when powerful magnetic fields during storms stimulate the human brain. But this theory collapses quickly because many ball lightning events leave behind real physical damage. To this day, even with modern cameras, sensors, and radar systems, ball lightning remains unsolved. It appears suddenly, vanishes without warning, and reminds us that nature still hides secrets humans have barely begun to understand. To this day, even with modern cameras, sensors, and radar systems, ball lightning remains unsolved. It appears suddenly, vanishes without warning, and reminds us that nature still hides secrets humans have barely begun to understand. Stay curious. See you in the next story.